Hey, this is Mason, just here for another video. I wanted to talk about using AI for, in my case right now, currently YouTube. Uh, Basically, like some of the fundamentals that I've learned about which AIs to use and different things like that. But we're just going to start off at kind of the ground level to start, just to give you a little bit of a foundation on how to use AI for researching, deciding on a channel, different things like that. So, my recommendation for starting off is Claude. And so, what I would recommend if you're just getting going and you're wanting to make a YouTube channel, but you're not really sure what it is about just yet, I would go download Claude on your phone to start and just use the chat feature and tell Claude to interview you to start about things that you're passionate about, interview you to help you to determine what topics it is that you're going to want to talk about in YouTube, what niche you're going to want to go into to start. You don't have to necessarily nail it down completely right at the beginning, but I would definitely recommend that you go in with a pretty good idea of what it is that you're going to go over on your YouTube channel. So for my niche, still not going to say exactly what the channel is just yet, but for my niche, I'm in the gaming niche, but not actual gaming. It's more like documentary style channel. And so in Claude, you would start a new chat just from the beginning or whatever, brand new, open the app and start a new chat and just say, hey, I'm interested in doing YouTube for a gaming documentary style channel, in my case, obviously. And then go ahead and interview me and ask me some questions about which direction I want to take the channel. And it should give you questions like if you want to do a face forward channel like this one, or if you want to do a faceless channel. Is the channel gonna have gameplay or just still images and things like that? It might ask you if you're already familiar with YouTube, if you're familiar with editing, things like that. Once you get that initial answer, I would take when you're at kind of like a baseline and go into projects and start a project, and you can just name it, new YouTube channel or whatever the case may be. Or if you have come up with a name already, you can give the project that name, whatever it is that you decide. And what projects is basically just a space for you to work towards a singular goal, but within multiple chats, and it has room for files that you can put in there to help Claude get a better understanding of what's going on within each new chat that you do. So it basically just helps contain what you're working on into the project and keep the context on that project specifically. It's very helpful. I use it for my YouTube, and I probably start a new chat every few days to keep it running nice, and we just do updates and handoffs and things like that to the next chat to be able to keep the context going. And there's a lot of other things that will come along with it that you can use and will build on as I keep uploading videos. I'm going to talk about using multiple AIs for research and things like that, but that'll be coming up in the future. Connectors as well. Connectors are super helpful, and can make your work with Claude like super efficient, which is awesome. But anyways, that's just kind of the first kind of step on using AI for building a YouTube channel. So stick around. I'm going to keep bringing up more topics, and hopefully I get better at getting my thoughts out more cleanly as I go along. So have a good day.